Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with 3 more challenge entries. Yay! I'm so excited. These next 3 ladies are super talented. This first entry that I want to share with you is from Trinae, who is BecommingFab here on YouTube. Hey girl, thank you so much for participating. I love your channel, and if you guys aren't subbed to her, she loves lawn fawn, and she is an amazing color artist, and she makes super cute cards and projects. So definitely show her some love. This is how her package came, and it says enjoy every day. And this is really pretty. I think this bag might have came from like one of those kit clubs, because I think I've seen it before, but I could be mistaken. So, oh my gosh, there's her bag, but let's open up the card first. Yay, I'm so happy to have a handmade card from you. Yay, and there it is, handmade, BecommingFab.com. Oh, that's a really pretty stamp. Okay, so here's her card. Oh, I love it. It says celebrate. How adorable. Oh, love it. Okay, let me open it up. Hi Erica, congratulations on hitting the 12K milestone on YouTube. You're totally #goals. Thanks for sharing your creative gifts with me and the YouTube community. Trinae. Aw, thank you so much, sweetheart. I love your card. I'm so excited you participated. Oh my goodness, and I love your bag that you have this in. That's really nice. All right, so she's got it like in a plastic sleeve. How pretty is that? And then look at her handmade stamp with a cute little colored coffee cup. Adorable. Okay, so look at her mini loaded bag, and let me just zoom in. It says you're sweet, and see, I told you she loves lawn fawn, you guys. So look at all these super cute colored images on the front, and I love this. This is doodlebug paper, I think, or maybe lawn fawn. I'm not even sure. Oh my gosh, but look at all these cute tags. Okay, so she made these like little tags. This one says thanks, super cute. And this one says just for you. I gotta turn it over. I'm sorry, you guys. It's front and back. There we go. So look how super cute. That one says thanks. And then this one says just for you. And then I love the little backs with the little booties and the to and from. That's definitely lawn fawn. And this says why hello dear. And then the back of that one. I love all the colors that you use. These are so pretty. And then this one says for you, dear. And then that's the back of that one. Adorable tags. Thank you so much for those. And let's take a peek. Oh, here's her memory decks card. And you guys, she did a process video on how she created this. And this is such a clever idea. I love the way you use that die. And then she colored the clouds, and she's got this cute image of the elephant holding a cupcake, and it says hello. I love it. It's so sweet, so cute. Okay, let me just cover up her address. But there is her information, and you guys definitely show her some love and check out her channel, and she's on Instagram as well. Thank you, Trinae, so much. All right, she has a few more little things in here, so let me just take it out. Oh, she's gifting me this really pretty sequence mix. Oh, this is gorgeous. And look how she packaged it up with the super cute little heart and the little paper right there. So pretty. Thank you for that. Thank you, thank you. And what else does she have? Oh, she's got, oh, it says BeFab. Look at that clip right there. That is so cute. And then look at the paper. I love this paper. It says, you're one smart cookie. That is super cute. I love doodlebug paper. I really do. And then she's got this really cute heart pick right there. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for that. I love it. I love the way you made your bag. Okay, and so that is Trinae's entry. So I'm going to put it off to the side, and I'm going to move on to the next entry. And my next entry is from Hernandez, and we're going to find out what her first name is. Thank you so much for participating. I love your mini loaded bag, and look at how she decorated the front. She's got all of these pretty flowers right here, a handmade crepe paper rosette. And let's check out her baking tags. It says baked with love, and it's got the heart. And then she's got these cute mixers down here, and they're on adhesive, so they're popped up a little bit, so it's dimensional. And this pretty apron, which looks like she has glossy accents. on the bow. And then look at the pretty trim up top. Very nice. And then to and from. Oh, thank you so much. And I love the size. It's huge. I love that. And here is her second baking tag, and it's a shaker. Yay! I love the shakers. So cute. And it says sweet treats. And she's got the baking utensils and the donut. Adorable. And some more pretty trim up top. And then she has the to and from. And it says handmade by Diana Hernandez. So it's Diane, not Diana. Oh, Diana. Yes, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. I love your tags. All right, let's check out our Memory Dex card. Oh my goodness, look how adorable that is. She's got the that stamped image, which I think it's Tilda. Oh my gosh, I can't even think right now. But it's so cute. Look at the butterfly. And then she's got pearl trim. She has the pearl trim around the index card, which is beautiful, and the flowers, and another pretty butterfly. How cute is that? Thank you so much, Diana. And she is on Instagram, and there is her name, and that's her Instagram in case you want to follow her feed. Thank you so much for participating. I love your entry. It's so, so cute. Thank you, thank you. All right, I'm gonna put her entry off to the side. I have one more entry that I'd like to share with you today, and this one is from Liz, and I'm not sure of the last name, but this is how her package came, and I just took everything out. So I will start with this package first, which says, "You are sweet." And this is an adorable bag. And look at that washi tape. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. Okay. You ladies in all these different bags. How adorable. It's like a sweet treat theme bag. How cute is that, you guys? Love that. Okay, I'm gonna put that off to the side. I get excited over everything. Okay, so here is her mini loaded bag, and look, it says whip it real good. I love that. That's cute. And look at her pretty mixer. And she's got glitter and some trim on it. How sweet is that? And I love the scalloped edge. Oh, that's really pretty. Is that glitter or some type of glitter glue on her scalloped edge? All right, let's take out the front pocket. Oh, and it says tea time. She's gifting me some tea. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. My oldest son, he's like obsessed with tea, and I literally have to hide the tea, like the tea that I like to drink. Otherwise, he drinks it all. It's crazy. Who does that? Whose son drinks hot tea? It's crazy, right? Okay, so this says Erica. So this is a little something. Let's see what this is. It says hi. Oh, it says reach for the stars. It keeps your boobs from sagging. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Oh, her notes on the back. Thank you for doing such a fun giveaway. I'm glad I got to dust off some of my old stamps and use them. Congrats on 11,000 plus. And yes, I love stickles. Lots of love, Liz. Oh, thank you, Liz, so much. That's so sweet. And this is hilarious. Oh my gosh, you have a sense of humor. That's awesome. Okay, let's take a look at her tags. And this is beautiful. It says handmade with love, and it has these little birds mixing the ingredients in the little bowl. That's so cute. And she's got it layered several times. It's very dimensional. And she's got a pretty bow down there with the pretty leaves. And then this pretty trim right here is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And I love the die that you used and your stickles. Yes, it's beautiful. And then I can do to and from on the back. Oh my gosh. Yay, I love it. Thank you so much. And then this is the second one that she made, and I really love this die that you use. It says homemade with love, and it's an image of a girl, and she's got her mixing bowl, and she's got a little stickles on there. Gorgeous, love it. And then I have a chance to write to and from on the back of this one. Super sweet. And look at her adorable Memory Dex card. It says, if you're afraid of butter, use cream, Julia Child. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at her whisk and her spatula and a pretty bow. Absolutely adorable. And let me just, I'm gonna cover up her address, and she's on YouTube as Coffeeplse. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Liz, so much for participating. Thank you, thank you. All right, I'm gonna stick these back in the bag, and I'm gonna see, she gifted me a set of these bags from Daiso. All you ladies that have Daiso, you guys are so sweet. Thank you for thinking of me, and I will put these bags to good use. This is the bag that says, "You are sweet." Isn't that so cool? Thank you so much. And then she was so sweet to send extra goodies, you guys. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. You guys are so sweet. I promise you, crafters are so generous and they make the best friends. Wouldn't you guys agree? So she sent me a whole bag of goodies. Oh my goodness. So she sent me some really cute stamps. Says focus. All of that. And let's see, what else did she send? Some more gift bags that I could use. Thank you so much. Those are really, really pretty. And then she sent me these. Oh, they're treat boxes for cookies. Oh, yay. Thank you. Those are adorable. Look at the box. Oh, I'll definitely use that. Super cute. Thank you. And then she sent me some masking tape. And this is also from Daiso. But look, it has like sweet treats on there, I think. Yeah, cupcakes and goodies. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much, Liz. Big hug to all three of you ladies. Thank you for participating. Please, ladies, leave these ladies a comment. Go visit their YouTube channels, see what they're creating, tell them what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with some more entry videos. So I'll see you soon. Bye for now.